Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Ghost Touch. So guys, as you can see here, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone that your iPhone's touch is automatically working. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to force restart your iPhone, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, how can you do this? Simply you need to click on your volume up button and volume down button and click and hold on power button until Apple logo is not appear. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to click on volume up, volume down and click and hold on power button, and guys, you need to wait for a few seconds until Apple logo is not appear. So guys, when your Apple logo is appeared, then guys you need to release your power button. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to release your power button from your iPhone, and guys you need to wait for its turning on. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, simply you need to wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, now my problem has been fixed successfully. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.